Hello everyone, welcome to another ItsMantax video. Today, like in every goddamn week, I'll be drawing SSSniperWolf. Some of you may ask why I keep drawing SSSniperWolf. But the answer is simple. She's the only YouTuber that would notice my drawings and would appreciate it. So, let's get back to the video.
It was a feeling, I think it was a start. It was a moment that will never fall apart. You took me higher, you made me smile a lot. We were so young, so many things that we forgot. Go into yourself and find the things we used to do. I guess you're pretending to move on, is it true? The stars is telling me that you're only telling lies. I'm asking you to come back, to move on and tell me why. Everybody, if they're sorry, got something to say. Take it over, move your shoulder, make it go away. Learn the lesson from depression after all these years. Take it back, it's mean, it's black, you doesn't matter, I guess. You gave me a rusty, broken heart, but what am I to say? I tried to tell you many times, but again you turned away. But now I know you're telling lies. I look up on the stars, so I'm asking you to come back, to move on and tell me why. Everybody, if they're sorry, got something to say, take it over, move your shoulder, make it go away. Learn the lesson from depression after all these years. Take it back, it's mean, it's black, you knocked me down to tears.
So that's it for today, guys. This is my finished drawing. I know it's not perfect, but I tried my best, and some of you may notice that the video quality was better. That's because I used a different phone with a better camera. So I hope you enjoyed this. So leave a like, subscribe, or comment if you want to see more drawings like this. This is for today, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Peace.